Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hi and welcome. This video is about a free AI video generator. Not only is it 100% free, but it also has no watermark and unlimited usage. You'll also see just how easy it is to use. Even if you're brand new, you can start creating videos right away. The tool is called AI Free Video. With it, you can generate text to video, image to video, and even text to image creations. What makes this tool so simple is that all you need is a short line of text describing what you want. For example, to generate this video, the only input was, "A boy is riding his dragon," or this one, "Snowman waving." If you want to get more creative, you can use free AI tools such as ChatGPT to help you write more specific prompts. For instance, I wanted the snowman to look more like Frosty the Snowman, so I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for a snowman that was waving and looked like Frosty. I simply copied the prompt, pasted it into AI Free Video, and hit Generate. The result? High-quality HD videos that you can instantly download. Outro. That's how easy it is to bring your ideas to life with AI Free Video. Give it a try, have fun experimenting, and start creating your own amazing videos today.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.